Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Additional Settings. Over here, you need to select one-handed mode and click on this switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you can tap over here or simply swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!